Naresh purchased a TV set for 11,250 after getting a discount of 10% on the labeled price. Okay, he spent 150 on transportation and 800 on installation. At what price should it be sold so that the profit earned would be 15% if no discount was offered? All right. Now first we need to calculate total CP of Naresh. Okay. So what will be the total CP? It would be cost of the television plus transport cost plus installation cost. All right. But look at this sentence carefully. If no discount was offered, okay, so cost price would not be this. This would not be the cost price, because this is the price when 10% discount was offered. But if the scenario is given that if no discount was offered. All right, in order to find that, we need to find what the mark price was, right? So the discount was offered, was of 10%. So that means if the discount is of 10%, that means he must have bought it at 90% of mark price, right? And this is equals to what? This much, 11,250. By solving this, we will get the mark price. So what will be the mark price? 11250 into 100 over 90. 0 gets cancelled. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 fives are, so 1250 and this 0. So 12,500 is the mark price. That means the cost that Naresh had to pay if no discount was offered. All right, now we put this 12,500 here. Okay, 12,500 plus transportation cost, which is 150. Let me just, okay, plus installation cost, which is 800. Okay, and this comes out to be 13,450. all right, now we have got the total CP. At what price should it be sold so that the profit earned would be 15%? So selling price would be, if he needs 15% profit, that means he must sell it at 115% of the cost price. Cost price is 13,450. So we solve this, and I have already calculated this. This comes out to be 15,467.5. I have not used the calculator, I have manually calculated it, and you should do the same, and this comes out to be the actual answer. So option D is the correct one here.